Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable Member for his question. This is one of the issues that I had raised in the ministerial statement yesterday, where I had informed the House that we had gone through the exercise of cleaning our database of the people that are actually registered as unemployed in the National Employment Centre database. As a result of that exercise, by the 31st of March 2018, we have 8,697 registered unemployed clients. So that number has previously we had up to 57,962 that were registered. We've gone through an exercise of cleaning that data, calling them up to make sure that they're unemployed, whether they moved on, and the people that we're not able to contact. We basically cleaned up all that database. So that's the number that we currently have in the numbers that we have within the database. And we try to restrict it to the number of people that have registered for us over the past 2 years, and if there are some who registered maybe 3 or 4 years ago that we have not been able to contact, we keep their details in a separate list, so we can keep as an accurate a number as possible in the database.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.